Okay. Let me get it. Let me get it for you. Take that out. My hand is perfectly shaped to grab that booger. Right? Here we go. Get up, in there. There we go. Where is that booger? No. Let me try again.
Oh, sneeze-a-rooney. Bless you. Whoa, big sneezes. What are you gonna say? What's he gonna say? What are you gonna talk about? Oh, that was a serious thing. That was serious.
Zeke! Zeke!
You're not breastfed. How'd you like that? Hey, see!
You're bad dog. You're shadow dog. No, bang! No. Ow! No, you working wolf. You bad dog. Zeke, stop. Wooga, wooga. Wooga, wooga. No. No. Ow. No.
Zeke, stop it! Zeke! Stop! No!
Zeke is a bad, very bad dog. I'm gonna give him a time
Good job! Good job! Good job! There you go. Keep your legs far apart. Spread your legs apart. Yeah, there you go. Good job! This is not a good idea. I don't want you to fall back and whack your head. Edison, should we go downstairs and check?
Go eat his cookies.
Do you think he ate his cookies?
Uh-huh.
What do you think he did with the carrots?
He go get them to
Do you think he came and brought you anything?
Hmm?
What do you think he brought you?
Play some Legos.
Should we go downstairs and find out? Are you excited to see if Santa came? Good morning, Adley. Are we gonna go downstairs and see?
Santa came downstairs.
I don't know. Are we gonna go find out?
Yeah.
Are we about to go find out?
What is this? What is it?
Stop it! You're a bad dog.
Edison, what is that? An astronaut suit.
Whoa!
Neat.
Cool.
What's the boots for? Okay.
I don't know.
Look at you! Whoa! Go look in the mirror! You look amazing!
Watch the.
What is that? Whoa!
Dog is can take the ball. It can push dog.
Can it push dirt? Do you think you could drive it?
Yeah.
Do you want to see? What is that? What is it?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. It is a bulldozer.